So we made it to California and I am filming in what will be my sister's bathroom right now, because Stacy is sleeping in our room and Steve is in the living room. So I got you all propped up on a medicine cabinet. And I thought it would be fun to do like a semi-empty apartment tour, because a lot of people have been asking like, what does the place look like, etc. And I thought that was easier than just doing 1,000 stories on Instagram to just put it here in one video. So I'm crouching down, okay? This camera, just to focus and unfocus. If anyone has any tips on how to not do that, it would be great. So our apartment is 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Both bathrooms are in the bedrooms. The landlord left a couple of pieces of furniture, basically like a couple couches, a chair, a dining table and chairs, like 2 chairs need to be replaced, and like a coffee table. And then there's like bed and bed frames, we're getting rid of those. So we're gonna start with the stuff that the landlord gave us to like, until we find what we want. And then we'll either sell, toss, or give those to him to go back into storage. But it's been really great to have a few starter items, especially because we basically like left all of our stuff in the old apartment because my in-laws own that, or we just got rid of a lot of stuff. So we're basically starting like absolutely from scratch. We each came with 1 suitcase. I had like an overnight backpack. We had some like keepsake things, a safe with like all our important documents, a couple toys for Daisy. Really not much. We tried to minimize as much as possible. So I'm gonna walk you through each room and I will show you, and then when Daisy wakes up, I'll show you our room. Okay, let's go. Okay, so the green walls make it look really dark in here, except for this like gorgeous light from the window, but this is the living room, which I love. I'm just obsessed with these windows. They're just like so cute, and I think the afternoon light is like my very favorite. It just like comes in so nicely. Here's like a different view of the living room from here. And this furniture was like all here, given to us by the landlord. So we'll probably eventually like swap it out. This is like the hallway mirror that was here. I'll show you the bedrooms. This bedroom is gonna be my sister's room when she moves in with us. This bed will go, and she'll probably like order her own thing. This is her little bathroom, which is so cute. I love her bathroom. Her shower's like so nice. These little plants in here. And I kind of like love the pale pink of these walls. Okay, I'm not talking fast enough. Here is our room. This is like one big closet. Apparently the girl who lived here before was an actress, and she made this like padded situation for like recordings and stuff. So if I ever decide to start a podcast, maybe it'll be in there. Our bedroom. I love the high ceilings. Our old apartment in Ocean City was just like very low ceiling. So excuse the mess, because we literally just brought our whole life in here. But we're gonna get a whole new bed. Like everything that you see will most likely go except for the television. This is the view of like our bathroom. This is another little side closet, and we're probably gonna get a dresser as well and just kind of like organize this a little bit better. Okay, and this is the kitchen. It actually has like really decent space and like cabinet space, even though it's like kind of small in general. And then my favorite, I've said this like 100 times, is this fridge. It has like a little open door to just grab drinks. And then you can open it all the way to like use the whole fridge. So, and then a little view from here. Okay, and so obviously I forgot to finish filming the other day and had to finish right now, and I'm losing light, so I'm gonna talk fast. But that's basically our little mostly unfurnished apartment tour. I'm waiting on some dining chairs. I got these pink dining chairs from Article that I'm really excited about, because I saw this like Pinterest photo of like a glass round table with dining chairs and then like a gallery wall. So I think I'm gonna try to do that in the kitchen. There's like a printed chair in the corner that I'm gonna probably donate and replace with like something that's more like our style. I'm gonna get like a little round table for Daisy and kind of try to create like what I had in Ocean City, where the space was a lot for her, because we're gonna be together a lot. So I want her to be able to feel comfortable at home and have things to play with and do, you know, and I know we don't have a lot of that because we didn't bring a lot of stuff with us. So eventually we're gonna get her a little play table, a little space for her books and toys, and kind of gear some of the space to her. And then eventually I'll get rid of the rug in here and replace that. Maybe the couches. Those are things like way further down the line, because obviously I can't do all of that at once as much as I want to. So the main things that we're focusing on replacing now are like getting a dresser for our room, getting a new bed and bed frame. We're gonna hopefully get like a king platform bed. That's what I want, like something low to the ground and easy, because we co-sleep, so it's just like easier to do that with Daisy. Getting a bed for my sister's room, and then kind of filling in everything else as we go. So that's it. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any design ideas, especially for all of this wall space. But this is our apartment. I really love it. I'm so excited to be here. Okay, have a great day. Have a lovely week, and I'll see you soon. Bye.